Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. I had a few people reach out to me and asked me about the Hertz speakers, the SX SPL show coaxials, the 165s. So they're drop-in fit for all the Harley-Davidsons. They fit in the speaker pods, they fit in the tour pack pods. But somebody asked me an interesting question. Will they work with the boom audio amplifier? So we're going to test it out on this CVO before we go ahead and do our upgrade and replace all the boom audio stuff. We left the boom audio amp intact. We left the boom audio radio flash in. So now we're going to swap out the boom audio speakers for the Hertz speakers and see if we lose any output and see how they sound on the factory curve. So we're going to lose a little bit of output because the boom audio speakers are 2 ohms and the Hertz are 4 ohms. So theoretically, the boom audio speakers will make the amplifier push twice as much power through that channel. But the Hertz speakers should be more efficient. So even though they're getting less power, I expect they're going to play equally loud or louder. So we're just guessing. Let's see what happens. We're going to hop in and give it a shot. So these are the boom audio speakers. These are the ones from the Road Glide speaker pods. And as you can see, it's 2 ohms. We're going to replace them with the Hertz speakers. And the Hertz are 4 ohms, as you can see right there. But these Hertz are very, very sensitive, which means they don't need a lot of power to play loud. They have a sensitivity of 96.5. So, should be interesting. I think it's going to sound fine. But let's see. Let's make sure there's nothing funny going on. Alright, it's exactly what I knew was going to happen. Since the boom audio amp wants a 2 ohm load on each channel, and we put a 4 ohm load on each channel, you're able to go all the way up on the volume, and it doesn't get very loud. So it sounds much cleaner than factory, but that's the max volume you're getting, that's it. So I definitely would not recommend it. If you're going to change the speakers, just go ahead and change the amplifier. So we just did on this bike to test. These are the speakers we were using in the rear pods anyway, so it was easy for me to do the test. But we're going to go ahead and pull the boom audio amp out and do the sound digital amp.